Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A30s, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and pick your Play Store. Here it is. Tap on the More icon and go to My Apps and Games. Wait a couple of seconds, and here you've got all applications that can be updated. And if you would like to update one particular application, for example Google Drive, smoothly tap on Update tab right next to the application name, and as you can see here you can observe the progress. At first the latest version will be downloaded and then installed. And that's it. As you can see, if you scroll down you will find it under Recently Updated. Obviously you can also update all applications at once. Smoothly tap on Update All, and here as you can see it will be automatically done. You can meanwhile use your device because it will be all done automatically in the background. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily update applications in your device, in your Samsung Galaxy A30s. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.